Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Tuesday to my favorite readers, writers, mathematicians, artists, scientists, and engineers. Today is May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, in the year 2020. We will work on our diagraph, CVC words, identifying important facts, and reading comprehension. Our sight words of the week are to just review all of our purple words, and today we would have music, so check out Miss Critelli's School Wires page to see what she'll have you do today. I love and miss you all tons. Remember, it is up to you and your choices to make today great. So we have 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. If this month is May, we know that last month was April. And if this month is May, we know that next month is going to be June. Today is Tuesday, so that means yesterday was Monday. And if today's Tuesday, tomorrow is going to be Wednesday. Our digital date for today is 5/5/20. 5 because May is the 5th month of the year. 5 because it is the 5th day of March, and 20 because of 2020. And let's go ahead and go right to our seasons. Spring, summer, winter, fall. There are 4 seasons in all, and another word for fall is autumn. Now we'll go to our May calendar, and you're going to write the number 5 under Tuesday. And then, meteorologists, we are going to check out the weather. And today is going to be partly cloudy, high of 63 degrees. So we can go fill in another box for cloudy. CLOUDY, cloudy. Now today is the 155th day of school. You are 153 or 55 days smarter than you were on the first day. Everybody kiss your brains. There are 25 days of school left. So if there are 5 in our ones column and we have 4 sticks from yesterday, that means we need to add 1 more to make 5. Now we have 5 in our tens column, which means we have 5 bundles of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We have 100 sticks in our hundreds column, so there are 10 bundles of 10 sticks. 100 plus 50 plus 5 equals 155. Now looking at 5 in our ones column, we also know today is going to be odd. Now let's check that on Odd Todd's belly. There's the number 5. So we can go ahead, go to your hundreds chart and trace the number 155. Then you can go to your shoe page and color in 1 shoe. So 1 shoe all by itself would be odd to wear, right? So today is odd. And once you're finished with that, let's count by 2s together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now you can go right to your 10 frame page. We're going to add 1 dot on your 10 frame, so there should be 5 dots on this 10 frame right here. And let's count by 10s together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155. Now let's go to your tallies, and you are going to add 1 tally in this box, and you get to slide on down today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits the floor. And let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So that is all for calendar today. Let's go to your week at a glance here. And for today, you will have a video for foundations. You're going to study all of your purple words. You will have one book on Raz Kids. Now, I'm going to request that it is a non-fiction book, because then for Writer's Workshop, what I'm asking you to do today is, I wrote it down over here, you're going to write one fact about a topic that you read in a nonfiction book. So if you don't have any nonfiction books at home, that's okay. You could just make sure that you're reading one on Raz Kids for today, and it will go along with our Writer's Workshop. So you can write that in your Foundations notebook or any notebook that you have available, and then send a picture of it on Seesaw for me. Then Math Number Stories for May is in Seesaw as well. And thank you to Michaela's stepmom. She said that it's easier if you are to go back and, let me see, I wrote it down over here as well. You can respond to it multiple times. So what you'll have to do is make sure that you go and click on the class activities in order to go back and resubmit it. So if you were to do Mondays and then today's, you'll have to be submitting it daily in order to have it saved on your in your work, if that makes any sense. It was a little bit confusing to me because I don't see it the way you guys see it on your end. So if it's easier for you to just write out the actual number sentence in a notebook somewhere and send me a picture of it on Friday, I'm totally okay with that. I've heard that it's easier to use the drawing tool instead of using the text box. And then somebody else said it was easier to use the text box. So I think it's really what you prefer and what device you're working on in order to access Seesaw. So feel it out. If you feel that it's just getting ridiculous and you're getting fed up with submitting anything on that math part of Seesaw, please don't worry about it. I'm really just making sure that they're getting their number stories completed, so you can definitely write it in a notebook and then submit it on Friday. If that's easier for you, just let me know. I'm totally okay with that. So that is all for today. I hope you have a terrific Tuesday, and I will see you all in the next video.